Hello everyone, I'm Max, and in today's video I would like to draw your attention to the installation features of devices that have a screw down terminal block cover. And by the way, there is my hand on the video. In order to resolve the issue, then what you are currently observing happens on any device. As I say, at some point something went wrong, and now the device needs to be removed and carried to the workshop at least. The case is really typical because during installation, commissioning and various tests, the covers of the devices are twisted and unscrewed dozens of times, and even a slight skew can lead to the thread just jamming, and unscrewing it becomes possible only in a workshop. Accordingly, it's necessary to change the body, because even if the lid is turned on a lathe, it will not be accepted, I mean your work. Therefore, I will immediately give this advice. If something went wrong, you felt that the lead was not coming, you don't need to make any effort, especially to use some improvised tools. A large adjustable wrench was apparently used here. Moreover, they twisted or unscrewed, relying only on force. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.